miss me because I miss you so much. It's already October and 1 month po akong nagpahinga in our lecture series, but now I'm back for our second lecture series, and this is for those of you who wants to be a YouTuber, whether you'll be a vlogger, a filmmaker who would be using YouTube as your platform in sharing your films, or you want to be a video creator and share your ideas, whatever your reasons or your purpose in using YouTube, for as long as you will be using YouTube as your platform to reach your audience, then this learning session is for you. And as the same thing that we've done in our first lecture series na Paniwang Ta, I hope na damugid ang naka-help na kun sa inyo and damo naka-benefit from my tips. Medyo it was a sort of a training session for me, but now I think I'm ready after a month of taking a rest and asking myself if I'm really ready talaga to help you out for this lecture series na yun talaga yung target ko in my YouTube channel. And yun, sabi ko, yeah, I think I'm ready. And if I won't begin this October, kailan pa kaya? So wala na tayong magagawa. Let's begin with our second lecture series. And tulad nga ng sinabi ko, it's the same as before. Our lecture will be divided into 3 parts. The first part would be about my journey, kung paano ko nagsimula sa aking pag-vlog, sa aking pag-YouTube. Then the second part, I will be giving you tips kasi alam ko marami sa inyong nagtatanong, especially for those who are starting in YouTube, how would you be able to reach the requirements? Or what are the technicalities when you want to be a YouTuber? I'll be discussing it in the second part of our 3-month-long lecture series, and the last part would be a Q&A, so that would be around 3 or 4, I believe it's 4 weeks. So kindly drop down your questions below at the comment sections. Magbigay kayo ng mga tanong, kahit anong tanong, basta all about vlogging. Bawal ang personal questions, okay? So, ayun, just drop down your questions. I will be answering you on the third part of our lecture series. Pero leave natin yung isang question na marami nang nagtatanong sa akin. How do I or paano ko kaya nakakayang mag-vlog in public? So, I'll be sharing to you tips, and take note nyo kung kaya nyo ba o kailan kaya kayo magsisimula na mag-vlog in public. Ready na ba kayo na i-share hindi lang yung videos nyo to the whole world, but yung pagmumukha nyo talaga sa harap ng ibang tao at hindi lang sa harap ng ating mga cameras inside our houses. Yes, ngayon nandito ako sa loob ng bahay, and on my back, it's not a new background, but it's nakaupo po ako sa sahig para mukhang bago naman yung ating background, of course. So, eto, nakita ko yung aluminum door natin, screen door, parang bagong look naman for this month of October. Yan, so that would be the 3 parts of our vlog lecture series, and I hope to see you for the next 3 months. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment your questions for our third part of this lecture series. Goodbye, and always remember, Rubeinspired!
Yung pinakahapit ka mo sa akong channel, yan ang panginulat mo. Pindutan ang subscribe button, pati yung galay, kag hindi pagkadinti.